Hi there, my name is Dr. Elliot Lessick, chiropractor and founder of Arise Wellness Center, and I'm here to just carry on my conversation. It's my third video blog in a series of my blogs, and I want to talk about the 3 T's of nerve interference. So first, let's define what nerve interference is. It's basically a situation in your body where there's some sort of an irritation or choking or cutting off of the nerve supply from your brain to your body. And so for thousands of years, it has been recognized that if you somehow limit the very important mental impulses that are encoded to reach your organs, if there's a block of that transmission, there's going to be a dis-ease or a disconnect or an ill health that forms. And so when we talk about the 3 T's, we talk about trauma, we talk about toxins, and we talk about thoughts or negative thoughts. And all 3 of these things can cause direct irritation and a choking off of our nerve supply. And to just quickly kind of maybe talk about trauma, which is the one we specifically see, you think of whiplash injuries or falling out of bed and cribs for babies, or you think of sports injuries or poor sleeping habits, poor posture. And so you think of all the ways that our body can misalign, which can cause a compression to our nerves, which can cause a lost transmission of nerve supply, which then lends itself to pain and inflammation. So we can certainly, as chiropractors, help with that. The other one is toxins. So think of all of your gunky preservatives and additives, all the manufactured foods, synthetic foods, the medications that we take sometimes unnecessarily to block pain and decrease our brain's ability to register the damage that's actually happening in our body. All these things can gunk up our nerve supply and lend itself to poor transmission, which of course can lead to ill health. So we talk a lot about nutrition and good clean food and ways to avoid taking unnecessary medications. And then the last one is negative thoughts. So think of all the stress that you're under. Think of the anxiety that gets created when we have an argument with our wife or our boss. Think of all the stress in our lives that causes this incessant need to produce and be effective and active and progressive. And the poor postures we can hold because of tight muscles, the anxious pit in our stomach, and think of cardiac patients and type A personalities. I can talk on and on and on about stress in our lives, but this just compounds the sort of dimmer switch on our nerves that can happen when we have had traumas and we do eat toxic foods. And sometimes we do indulge in certain things that can gunk our nerves up. And also we can be under stress, and all of us are. And so chiropractic becomes a wonderful tool to reduce the damaging nerve interference that can happen, restore that vital link between your brain and your body, and of course all of this will lend itself to improved pain levels and a much improved health. So to find out more, please visit our website, www.arisechiropractic.com, or give our center a call. Any one of us would be delighted to meet you. All right, I'll talk to you again in a week. Take care. Bye now.